Do you want to be able to make your audio public on Roblox? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do actually watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. Because if you miss out on some of the steps that I'm going to show you, well, then probably this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this until the very end and follow all of these steps for it to work. And the first step is going to be quite simple. You need to firstly come to your Roblox, as you can see. So go into Roblox and then log into your Roblox account. You can do this on your phone as well, but I would recommend you to do this on your computer. It's just much easier to do this on your computer, just so you know. But if you don't, then if you don't have a computer, for example, don't have an access to a computer right now, then of course you can try to do this on your mobile. So the first step is going to be for us to click right here where it says create. So click on create. Then you should be taken here. As you can see, I'm just going to click on dashboard right here, as you can see. So go into your dashboard, then click on creations in here. What I'm going to do now is to click on development items in here. Then of course I'm going to select audio, as you can see. So select audio in here. Then I'm going to of course click on upload assets in here, as you can see, upload asset. And then you need to of course make sure that this one is set to audio, very important. Then in here you can upload that audio file that you want to be able to upload. And as you can see, this is the formats that work for Roblox, just so you know. And audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes. Max size per file is 20, as you can see in here. And basically you need to make sure that all of this here is all of the criteria in here is met, because if it's not, then it will not work. In here I'm just going to name it like test audio. This I'm going to write this is just for a test. And now when you have selected the audio that you want to be able to upload, then you can just click on upload in here, as you can see. And that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.